Quick Access is quite a nifty feature in Windows File Explorer. It adds your recently viewed files here and also adds your recently accessed folders in the sidebar navigation here. But sometimes it gets quite annoying as it keeps adding shortcuts to files and folders without your permission. But the good news is that there is a way around it. To prevent Windows from auto-adding files and folders to Quick Access, click on this See More icon on the File Explorer and click Options. On the Folder Options window, under the General tab, go down to Privacy and uncheck these two options and hit Apply. And there you see the recently viewed files are gone, and it will also prevent the folders from being added to the Quick Access. Thanks for watching.